If you've got multiple Google accounts linked to your Android phone and want to remove the extra ones, or you're planning to sell your phone and want to wipe it clean, this video will help you do that safely. In just a few minutes, I'll show you all the ways to remove your Google account from an Android phone, including how to do it remotely if you've lost your device. Method 1. Remove Google account from settings. Let's start with the easiest and most common way, removing your Google account directly from your phone's settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and go to Users and Accounts Settings, and tap on it. From here, tap on the Google option. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the Google account you want to remove. Now click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen and tap Remove Account, and confirm again when prompted. That's it! Now the Google account is removed from your phone. Method 2. Remove Google account remotely via Find Hub. If you've lost your phone or don't have access to it, don't worry. You can still remove your Google account remotely using Google's Find Hub or from Google account settings. Here's how. Open Google Find Hub on another device. Now sign in with the Google account you want to remove. If you are already signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and switch to a different account. You can also sign in with your Google account from here. Now select the device from the list in which you want to remove the Google account. Tap on it. Tap the cogwheel icon on the right. Now tap on the Factory Reset button. Then tap the Reset button at the bottom to confirm. That's it! Now the Google account is removed from your phone. Method 3. Remove Google account from a computer. Finally, if you don't have your mobile with you, you can also remove your Google account from your PC if your phone is still linked to your Google ID. Open any browser and visit the Google account page. You can type account.google.com and press Enter. Once you are there, sign in with your Google account. Now, tap on the Devices tab. From here, you can see a list of all devices your Google account is signed into. To remove a Google account from a specific device, select the device and tap on it. Now, you need to verify your Google account. Enter your account password to verify. From here, tap on the Sign Out, and again tap on the Sign Out to confirm. That's it. This will sign you out remotely from that device. And that's it. Those are the best ways to remove your Google account from any Android phone. Whether you're switching devices or cleaning up unused accounts, these steps will keep your data safe and your device organized.